Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick. Transforming a simple, often overlooked spark plug into a versatile, I'll carefully use pliers to strip away the outer ceramic and metal casing. I'm taking a red electrical wire. I'll strip a small section of its insulation, exposing the copper strands. This exposed copper will be our first electrical contact point, connecting directly to the spark plug center terminal. I'm twisting these copper strands tightly and then wrapping them securely around the spark plug's central pin. A strong connection is absolutely crucial for optimal conductivity and to ensure our tool functions efficiently. I'll then use pliers to trim any excess wire, making the connection neat and compact. Then I use pliers to secure the wire that was just connected to the spark plug. Next, I will attach the other end of the red wire. I'm doing this to create more surface area for the electrical current. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Then, I'll carefully twist these newly exposed copper strands together, preparing them for the next step in our assembly process. I'm wrapping the twisted copper strands around the threaded metal body of the spark plug. This ensures a second, solid electrical connection. I'll then use pliers to trim any excess wire, making the connection neat and compact. This dual connection ensures maximum power transfer to the tip of the spark plug. Now, let's prepare the handle. I have a simple wooden dowel here. I'm marking the center point on one end using a marker. Then, I'll secure the dowel firmly in a vise. This stability is essential for safe and accurate drilling. Using a drill, I'm carefully boring a hole straight through the center of the dowel. This central channel will connect the wire, creating a clean and functional design. After removing the dowel, I'll reposition it horizontally in the vise. Now, I'm drilling another hole, this time to the side of the dowel, intersecting the main hole. This needs to be deep enough for the spark plug. After that, I'm using a wider step bit to create a larger, shallower hole on the side of the dowel. This hole will act as a spark plug anchor point and an exit for the wire running through the handle, making it easy to connect to a power source. I'm taking another length of red electrical wire and threading it carefully through the main central hole and out through the smaller side hole. This will be the main power lead for our device. I'm stripping one end of the red wire that just went through the pin. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Then I'm going to attach the stripped wire to the spark plug, making sure to make another strong twisted electrical connection that completes the circuit inside the handle. I'll use my pliers to tighten the connection for reliable contact, then carefully insert the glow plug assembly into main vertical hole of the wooden dowel, feeding the wires through the side hole. Now for assembly. I'm carefully inserting the modified spark plug into the main hole of the wooden dowel, making sure it sits snugly. Then, using a hot glue gun, I'm filling the cavity around the spark plug to firmly secure it in place and provide insulation, preventing any short circuits. With the handle assembled, I'm preparing the power leads. I'll attach red alligator clips to the exposed ends of the red wires coming from our handle. I strip the wire, twist it into a secure loop, and then attach the alligator clip. This makes it easy to connect and disconnect our heating tool from a power source. To power our device, I'm creating a simple blue jumper cable. I'll strip both ends and attach black alligator clips to each. Just like before, I twist the exposed copper firmly onto the clip for a strong electrical connection. These will connect to our battery. I'm using a standard cordless drill battery for power. I'm connecting our homemade tool to a drill battery. I place a couple of metal rings into the battery terminals to ensure good contact. Then I clip our red and blue alligator clips to complete the circuit. See how quickly the tip of our glow plug heats up and starts glowing. This concentrated energy is what makes our tool so powerful. Let's test it out. First, I'm taking a piece of aluminum foil. Watch as I touch tip of the spark plug to it. See how it instantly melts and cuts through the foil? It's incredibly effective. And finally, for a real challenge, 2 razor blades. I'll place it on a wooden block and apply our heated tool. Look at that. It melts through the metal instantly, helping to bond the 2 blades together. This DIY device truly proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing things with repurposed items. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.